Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're just going to do a very simple video of what I take for breakfast as a 9 to 5 worker, which is some. So for Monday morning I just had one burger bread and I sliced it into two, toasted it for a bit. I just toasted it briefly and then I fried some flat eggs, and yeah, I just added my egg and covered with the other side of the sliced burger bread, and then I wrapped it in a baking sheet, which is one of the easiest way to pack your breakfast in the morning, depending on what you're making actually. So I just wrapped it neatly and placed it in my foil paper. So here is me just doubling this up, and this was around past 5. I was already late, so I was in a hurry. So I just had this, and I also had coffee with it, and this was my coffee. This was when I got to the office. This was around 7, and yeah, I just wanted to take my breakfast and also take my drugs as well. So this was what I had on a Monday morning, which is quite easy to make if you're in a hurry or in a rush and just want something simple for your breakfast. So on a Tuesday morning, I had okpa. Well, I bought this okpa. So yeah, I had okpa. This was what I had for breakfast on a Tuesday morning, and I had it also with a cup of tea. Then on a Wednesday morning, I had some time, woke up early, and here I'm just preparing to fry some plantain and egg, which I wanted to take to the office as well. So yeah, this is me just putting in the oil. I'm just going to fry my plantain and eggs as well, so join me. And this was around 4:30 to 5, because usually I leave for work at 5:30 on the dot. So yeah, let's fry this plantain together and my egg as well. So here my plantain was already ready, and this was me just taking it out, and this was around past 5, few minutes past 5, at around 5:03 a.m. in the morning. So yeah. After that, I just threw in some onion and just made a simple egg for myself to eat with the plantain. And this is me adding some onion, and then I'll fry my egg, and yeah, we're ready for work for Wednesday morning. So my eggs are ready. I'm just going to pack this in a simple food flask. This is what I was taking to work that day, and I just placed my egg in the mini flags of the food flags anyways. And yeah, at 5:30 I left for work, and yeah, this was what I had for breakfast. So on a Thursday morning, I was craving bread and akara, and this is agege bread. And on my way to work, I just bought agege bread and also akara as well. I had some beverages in my flask because I wasn't interested in taking coffee. So here is me just placing the akara in between the agege bread, and yeah, once I placed it, I just took it and toasted it a bit before I started eating it. So let's go ahead and toast our bread a little bit. This was what the bread was looking like, slightly toasted, but yeah. So this was what I had with my cup or my flask of beverage in it. So join me, guys. For a Friday morning, I had some leftover meat pie which I made over the weekend, and I took one of it and had it with some coffee. And yes guys, that's all I had for the week. It saves you some stress and it's quite affordable and easy to make. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who are 9-to-5 workers. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.